can select a cell by either clicking on it or by using the arrow keys to navigate to it. If you want to edit a cell, you can press F2 to go into the formula bar. There you can use your arrow keys to navigate around the formula. If you want to get out of it, just press F2 again and you'll be able to then arrow your way out of it. When you're in formula mode and you're working with a longer formula, let's say we wanted to find the average profit. If I was going to scroll through this, it would take a long time with just the keys. So what you can do is you can hold Control, and that will take you one block at a time. So jumping a full cell reference, a full cell reference, a full function, etc. And that's useful in longer formulas. You can also use the shortcut Control Home and Control End to jump to the end or start of your functions. And this is useful if you did, let's say you did the average the old-fashioned way, sum divided by count, then you wouldn't want to toggle through that. You just want to either hold Control and jump through it, is what I usually do, or use Control End to jump to the end, or Control Home to jump to the beginning. And when you want to create formulas like this, let's say we just want to find the sum. You've got a few options. You can click on them. In this case, you'd click and drag because you want the whole range. Or you can just type them in. So if I know that's D5 to H5, you could type it in like that. And realistically, I'd probably just do this with the keyboard. So sum, go to D5, hold down Shift, and that would allow me to select all of them. And then I'd close that off with a bracket.